What's up guys, welcome back to my garage, and today we're going to be making this beast a lot louder. I want to start off by saying thank you to all the people that have subscribed to my channel since the last time I put out a video. I think the last time I put out a real video I had like 700 or 800 subscribers, and I think we're about to hit 60,000. So to the rest of you, thank you. But anyway, this is the Lexus RCF. It's a 2015 if you're not familiar with it, and right now it actually has a Borla catback exhaust, which does sound pretty good, I can't lie, but we want to get a little louder. I know this box right here actually says NVIDIA, but I didn't buy an NVIDIA exhaust. I bought a GTHAUS Meisterschaft exhaust. It just came in an NVIDIA box because the guy I bought it from actually sold it to me used. He's from Texas. But what surprised me is that I actually fit the entire exhaust in my trunk. Look at this. The mid pipe, the axle back, all the wiring for the vacuum lines and everything. I don't know if I'll be installing all the vacuum lines today because some of this is a little torn up. All easy fixes, cheap fixes, but I think for now we're just gonna run it open valves all the time. I also know right off the bat I'm gonna see a ton of comments about the Supra, so let me tell you a little bit about it. This is my 1995 right-hand drive NA Auto Targa Top Toyota Supra. Before all the keyboard warriors, oh my God, it's automatic. Oh my God, it's an NA. It's still a Supra, okay? And Supras are cool. And yes, if you follow me on any other social media, you might see that this Supra is actually for sale. So if you're interested in this thing or know anyone who is, please refer them to me. It has 14,500 original miles. Original miles. Can you believe that? 14,500 miles on a Toyota Supra. I think this has to be one of the lowest mileage Supras available for sale in the world. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking about the Supra now, and I know you guys definitely want to hear a before of the exhaust on the Lexus, so let me show you what the Borla catback sounds like right now. Get this thing installed ASAP, so we're gonna start driving over there. It's about a 30-minute drive out in Elgin, Illinois. When we get there, I'll see you. I think it's only right we do a little pull before we install the new exhaust. So we're in Sport Plus, put it in manual. Let's drop down a couple of gears. You could hear that, but it's pretty loud. The current setup, it's pretty loud. It's loud enough where I still like it, but I want it to be a little bit rowdy. So that's the whole reason I got the system with the valves. I know we're not installing the valves right now. Okay, I gotta get out of this Sport Plus mode. I know we're not installing the valves right now, but that was the whole reason I got it, is because I don't want to just be that guy driving around everywhere with a super, super loud exhaust. Like, I've been there when you're walking down the street and some Mustang or whatever just, and it scares the hell out of people, right? Which, I mean, it's fun, but I don't want to be that guy. Especially because I live in downtown Chicago. Oh, there's a cop. Especially because I live in downtown Chicago. The echo of the exhaust is just gonna be ear-piercing off all the buildings. It's gonna be crazy. I was just about to pull into the shop when I remembered that I didn't show you guys any revs. Like, you don't even know what the car sounds like currently. So, I got you, 1 second. Time to go. Okay, so we made it out here to Omega Auto Service, and they just got the car up on the lift. Let me show you. Old exhaust is being taken off right now. New one's gonna go on. And if anyone has a Lexus RCF that wants this Borla exhaust, it will be for sale. All right, look at the difference between the old exhaust and the new exhaust. This is a Borla that's been on the car for about 5 years. And this is the new Meisterschaft exhaust that was on the previous owner's car for, I don't know, maybe a year or two, but huge difference in what they look like now. So like I mentioned before, this actually is a valve system. It works with vacuum lines, but we're not installing that today because I think some of the vacuum lines have a hole in them and one of them is too short. So we're just gonna install the exhaust today, which is gonna be crazy loud, and then eventually we'll get the vacuum lines all hooked up. All right, exhaust is fully installed. It's got the iconic GTHAUS little lines in the middle of the tip. But check it out, no more rust. Thank God this exhaust is from Texas. But yeah, here it is. Mid-pipe, mufflers, and then here's the vacuum valve system right here. Not installed yet, but will soon. And then we're gonna lower it, start it up. Let's see how it sounds. Give me 1 second. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, so first impressions on the highway. I have it in normal mode right now, cruising at about, I don't want to tell you, but let's just say the speed limit. It sounds completely fine. There's no drone. It's got a little bit more of like a grumble, like a but it's very, very, very hard to hear unless you know that the exhaust was just changed on this car. But just cruising sounds pretty good. And then when you get on it, oh yeah. That's where you get the, oh wow, you don't, whoa! Sorry, that kind of caught me off guard. That noise was not what I was expecting when I floored it. It dropped a couple gears and it just made this fantastic noise, like a, I don't know, I'm doing a horrible impersonation. Let me see if I can catch it on camera. I'm gonna do it again. I just gotta get a little bit of space. We're gonna move over and then let's floor it. Whoa! Wow, yeah, this is a very good, very nice job. Very nice, I like, yeah, wow. And I'm not even just exaggerating, because like, whoever knows me knows that this is how I sound normally when I talk about cars. It's just, let's do it again. Oh, a little bit of an underpass. Oh, stupid, it's stupid, fantastic. It's so good, it's stupid, wow. Okay, so I've been driving with this thing for about 30-40 minutes now, and when I say this is one of the best mods I've ever done to this car, some of the best money I've ever spent on this Lexus, and I've spent a lot of money on this car, oh my God, it's just, you gotta hear this thing. I think that's it for this video. Let me know what you guys think of the new setup. Borla or Meisterschaft? Meisterschaft is a new one, Borla is the old one. Obviously, I picked the exhaust, so I'm gonna go with the new one. It's way more rowdy, way more raspy. It's exactly what I like. So let me know what you guys think. I still need to install the valves, the vacuum hoses and everything, so make it a little bit quieter, a little bit easier for my neighbors to tolerate me. And if you're new here, hello, my name is Raheem. I make videos about cars. You might have seen me on TikTok. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, liking, sharing with your friends, whatever you want to do. And if you have subscribed, thank you. I love you guys, all 58,000 or however many of you there are now. I love all of you. I appreciate all the support, and I will hopefully see you in another video very soon.